Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome profile errors step by step in 2026. If Chrome shows messages like profile error, could not load your profile, or crashes whenever you start the browser, it usually means your user profile has become corrupted. Don't worry, there are multiple ways to fix this. Let's start. First, try restarting Chrome. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary profile issues. Close all Chrome windows completely and reopen the browser. If the problem persists, create a new user profile. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Add. Choose a name, picture, and sign in with your Google account if needed. This creates a fresh, error-free profile. Next, you can manually reset your original profile. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog, then type %local app data %/Google /Chrome /user data / press Enter. Find the folder named Default. This is your main profile. Rename it to default.old. This forces Chrome to create a new profile folder when it restarts. Now reopen Chrome. It will generate a new profile automatically. You can then import bookmarks, passwords, and settings from your old profile if needed. Another step is to check for antivirus or security software interference. Some programs block Chrome from accessing profile data, temporarily disable antivirus, and test if Chrome opens properly. Also make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help, greater than About Google Chrome, and install any updates. New updates often fix profile-related bugs. If nothing works, you can reinstall Chrome completely. Uninstall Chrome, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official website. A fresh installation ensures profile errors are cleared. And that's how you fix Google Chrome profile error step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.